Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. You're actually going to be seeing this vlog tomorrow. But I wanted to vlog because I was going to do a makeup tutorial today, but a couple of things happened. Well, not really a couple of things happened, but for starters, I need to clean my brushes, which I may go over briefly in this vlog. And then secondly, I just honestly don't feel like putting makeup on today because I'm not really doing anything and I don't want to waste a bunch of makeup. So that's why I'm not going to put makeup on today in this video. It's going to be a vlog instead. And I haven't vlogged in a while, so I thought, why the heck not? So as y'all saw yesterday in on my Snap and Insta stories, I got this little like kit box thing at Walmart. So what I was going to do is like put this on my face, but since I'm not doing my makeup, I'm just going to open this up and swatch this and kind of like review it, I guess. Not review it, but like swatch it. So I'm going to do that. And then like I said, I may go over how I wash my brushes because I actually just realized not that long ago that I was washing my brushes wrong, because you're not supposed to soak the whole brush. You're supposed to just like kind of soak like the bristles and then part of the brush. I don't know. But yeah, it may just be easier for me to show you guys what I'm talking about instead of just talking about it. So let's start out by reviewing that little kit thing. If you have not already though, make sure you hit the red subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you like vlogs, which I do. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell because YouTube has been having issues, as y'all know, with alerting you when people upload videos. So if you don't have the bell turned on, go ahead and do that. And leave a comment, say hi, what are you doing, whatever, just comment, talk to me. I like it when you guys leave comments, so make sure you do that. But let's go ahead and get started. First of all though, let me find something to prop this camera up on because I don't feel like getting my tripod out. Okay, so I was just walking around Walmart and I ended up seeing this guy right here. And what it is you get a face mask, a setting spray, and then 3 highlighters, which I'm all about. It's called the Glow For It Favorites Kit. Looks like this. Really cute. I love this box. It's so cute. They had one that was like all lipsticks. They had like a Milani, like it was like a Milani lipstick, a CoverGirl lipstick, and then like 2 or 3 more. So maybe if I can get this. This was only like $10 and it's valued at $24. So that's pretty awesome. So let's just go ahead and open up this little guy. It tells everything on the back that is in the box. So that's cool too. Let me go ahead and open up this box. I'm probably not going to keep this box, but okay, so when you open up the box, it looks like this. You get, we'll just start with the mask since it's already flying out everywhere. You get this, this is from their brand Found. It's a brightening coconut sheet mask, brightens uneven skin tone for healthy looking radiant, 94% natural, one single use mask, and it's used for centuries in Southeast Asia. Coconut is known for a multi-purpose use. Yes, it is. Coconut is great for your skin. Cool. Okay, well, I'll have to try this out. Maybe I'll do like a video or I'll do it on Insta Live or something. So we will see. I'm sure it smells like coconut, so that's cool. I normally don't really like sheet masks, but I don't know. I just think they're kind of like messy, but I may try it. Why not? All right, our next product in the box is, let's see if I can get it out. Okay, is this Precious Petals highlight from Wet n Wild. I already have one like this, but not Precious Petals. I've heard this is a really good highlight, so let's swatch it. Hopefully the lighting in here is better because one of my bulbs was burned out and I changed it last night, and I feel like it's so much brighter. It had gotten so dim and dark in here, and that's like one of those 3-way bulbs, but I don't have a 3-way switch, you know? So hopefully it's bright in here. Okay, if I can get this open, that would be great. Okay guys, sorry, I'm back. I had to just stop and open this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Really pretty. It's like a goldish color. Let's just swatch it and see. Hopefully y'all can see the swatch. That looks really nice. It's right there. Hopefully y'all can see it. Alright, so the next highlighter is this one from Hard Candy. Looks like this. Really cute. This is the Rose Gold highlighter. To apply, swirl a powder brush in the pan and apply for a soft, shimmering glow. Okay. That one was not as hard to get open. Thank you, Jesus. Alright, so this is what the pan looks like. It looks like it's one of those like triple layered highlighters or whatever. Again, it feels nice. It's kind of light though, like it's hardly showing up on my skin, but we'll give it a go. If some of these products don't work, I may put them in like a giveaway or something. So I'm thinking about doing another one soon since my year on YouTube is coming up. Like what? Okay, here's the setting spray. We'll try that out in a minute. Or not try it out, but okay, so the last highlight is this Vitalist Healthy Glow Highlighting Illuminator. You open it up. Oh, I think this is like a gel highlight. Let's see what it says. Okay, this is CoverGirl. This is the CoverGirl highlight. Using your fingers, apply Healthy Glow highlighter anywhere you want a healthy glow. Try dabbing it on cheekbones, down the bridge of the nose, under the brow, along the inner corners of your eyes, and Cupid's bow. Okay, cool. So yes, this is like a powdery highlight. Let's just try it though and see what happens. Okay, so it feels... Oh, cool. Let's swatch it. Oh, that would be pretty, like on your eyes. It's kind of like a brownie shade. It's right here. I hope these are picking up. That's actually really pretty. It doesn't really smell like anything. Alright, now for this mist, this is the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. If y'all tried any of these products, comment down below and let me know what you think about them. I've been wanting to try another setting spray. Just because, why not? I'm just going to get it going here so we can see if there's a smell. Not really a smell that I can find. Okay, so basically you just, you know, spray this on your face to kind of make your it says Hydrate, Illuminate, Set. 16-hour wear. 1.18 fluid ounces. Okay, cool. Oh, it says shake well. But I'm not using it right now, so... That's cool. Alright guys, well that concludes this little like unboxing. Let's see if this smells like anything. Ew. No, it just smells like makeup. It smells like chemicals. Like, dang it, I kind of wish these smelled. Like I wish this one smelled. But yeah, so that's the 3 highlights. I don't know if you can really see them, but they're really pretty, I think. Hopefully they show up on my skin. We will see. Worry about that trash later. Alright, what do I want to do now? Okay, so I may talk y'all through how I wash my brushes. Actually, no, I may just make that a different video. Comment down below if you want to see a video where I talk y'all through how I wash my brushes. And let me know. Because some people may not want to see that. And if they don't, then I don't want to waste my time. Like... filming it and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and like just put this makeup up. Hopefully y'all can see me. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this makeup up with my other stuff. What do I want to talk about? I was gonna talk about something else and I don't remember what it was now. Yes, but I am thinking about doing a video for my year on YouTube. I cannot believe I've almost been on YouTube a year. It does not seem like it. That is so crazy to me. Time goes by so fast. I'm just using one of my Sephora makeup wipes to just kind of get that off my hand. Bam. Easy as that. I love these wipes. They smell so good. And sometimes when I don't use the whole thing, like I may just go ahead and put this back in here because that's wasteful to just throw it away after using a little bit of makeup. I mean, wiping off a little bit of makeup. I'm trying to think if there's any like other new products that I've gotten that I need to show you guys, but I don't think there is. I also have this kid makeup over here. But I'm waiting to like get to Claire's or icing or something to get more for my like foundation concealer, like kid style, like for my face. So we will see when I do that. That way I can make a video. Because I've had this for like a while now and it's just sitting over here on top of my DVDs. That sounds so weird. Do people still have DVDs? But yeah, so it's like this My Little Pony lip gloss set. This like little flower shaped eyeshadow set that probably has no pigment at all. And then this little like pixie pack with like more eyeshadows and lip gloss and like a little thing of glitter in there. I don't know, my mom was helping me find it and she thought that one was like really cute. And it actually is kind of cute. So, yeah, once I get to Claire's and icing, hopefully soon, I will be able to do that. Oh, let me show you guys. I made some changes in my room. So over here is my Dolly portrait that my friend Amy made me. Shout out to her if she's watching this. I linked it on my Insta. But guys, she hand painted this whole entire thing. And it is so good. Like if you zoom in on the details, I don't want to like zoom in on her boobs, but like look at those details in that. Is that not amazing? I mean, she did this thing from scratch. And she has like beach towels. She has like an Etsy shop. She has everything. And it's so good. So, how I met Amy is she actually is from Jacksonville, which is where I'm from. And she lives in Nash, which I know I'm all about. So, her and I kind of keep in touch sometimes. Like when I'm like, hey, I'm in town, or she's like in this area, and like we'll get together, but we haven't gotten together in a long time, but she sent me that for free. I told her I would give her a shout out, so here's your shout out, Amy. I love you. Thank you so much for your painting. If I remember, I will link her Insta down below and her Etsy shop down below in the description box for y'all to check her out. She does like beach towels. She does like so much awesome stuff. Like she is so good, and I absolutely love my Dolly painting. I want to get some kind of like neon sign to maybe go here. I don't know. And I really want to get a new comforter for my bed just because I've had this one for so long. I'm just kind of over it. And then I put some new pics up here like the fam. Hey. And then there's Tara. I kind of took down some and put up some new ones. So it was time to do that. And then, oh, my mom also got me, like, these lights. Where are they at? These, like, LED lights. They're really cute. So, I may hang up these, I don't know, over there, wherever those pictures are or something. We'll see. I kind of want to hang these up. You just press this, and they turn on. Like, how cute is that? It's probably too bright, but, oh, no, there it goes. So cute. I love it so much. And then we have a Dazzy. She's not doing anything. Yeah, so I don't know, guys. I'm going to try this mask out. Maybe in a video. Maybe on an Insta Live. Maybe not even on camera. I don't know. I'll try to do it on camera. Because it's only a one-time use. So we'll see. But yeah, if you guys ever tried this mask, let me know. I've never tried it. I've never even tried this brand. So I'm anxious to see what happens when I try it. I'm thinking, is there anything I want to talk about? Oh, I also really love this part of our room over here. So like my little rose all day. That sign was actually a Valentine card from my parents. Ignore my nails, they look awful. And I was like, I have to keep that. So like I ripped off the part and threw it away and then kept this part. And then I put my little like fake plant right there. And I also have another fake plant like right here. So I'm all about that plant life, guys. I have to get fake plants though, or they die. Story of my life. Anybody else just not a good gardener? I don't have a green thumb. I don't. I feel like there was something I was gonna come on here and talk about, but I don't remember. Okay, guys, I don't make this vlog too boring and too long since I'm not really talking or doing much. But I did want to come on here and film something for you guys for today's video, which you're actually seeing on Tuesday. But I'll go ahead and wrap it up. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it was kind of boring. Let me know again down below if you tried any of these products or if you want to see a brush cleaning video. So I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye guys. I love you.